Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slap. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the brand new Westman Atelier Hydrobalm Tinted lipstick. I'm very excited to be trying this. As you guys know, I love a good lip product and I haven't tried anything from Westman Atelier for a while. So I'm excited about this. I'm just going to get into it. But if you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We'd love to have you in the Slap family. And without further ado, guys, here is the video. This is brand new from Westman Atelier, and as you guys probably know, I haven't really tried much from the brand. I tried the lip oil once and it gave me a really weird film on my lips, and I never tried anything from the brand again. But it has gone from strength to strength over the last 5 years, so I felt like I should give it another try. And I also really needed a new lip balm or a tinted lip product, so I thought this was a perfect time to try it. So I've got it here. I went into Space NK. And I tried some swatches. So I will include a short to that at some point of all the swatches I tried. I didn't try everything, but I tried the ones that looked appealing to me. I've literally got 10 minutes to film this video, so I'm gonna be very quick. I haven't really blended in my face. As you can see, it's kind of unblended, but hey. So this is a sheer, this is the Hydrobalm Tinted Lipstick. It is a sheer tinted lipstick with a subtle juicy sheen, buildable colour, balm-like feel. It is £45, which is absolutely astounding, and I think about $50 US, so not cheap. But Westman Atelier has kind of built this brand on being very overpriced. I guess it depends whether you find it value for money. I have become a bit more discerning in the last couple of years. I'm trying not to buy crazy things, which is why I'm not going to try the Hermes foundation, because I think it's £150, and I'm not doing it anymore, guys. I'm not doing it, especially when I then have to declutter it in 2 years time. I feel very silly, so I'm trying not to be too outlandish, but £50 I think, okay, fine, I'll do it, I'll give it a go. And all of these tinted lip products that I have, I do really wear them. I wear them every day. I love them very much. My favorites have been the Summer Fridays, the Summer Fridays lip balm. It's so good. I can't remember the color I had. I will link it down below. The best. I also like the Road, not too bad. It's not the most soft on the lips throughout the day. I think sometimes it gives a bit of an exfoliation that I'm not really looking for, but I do really like it. I just like putting it out. I like the slanted applicator and things like that. It's a nice product. What else do I use? I use the Hermes lip oil, very nice. And some others, but there's not enough time for that, so I'm going to try this on. This is a tinted lip balm. I got the shade, so I swatched and there were some really nice ones. I almost got English Rose, which looked very nice, and a bit more mauvey, a bit more pink mauvey, what I usually would go for. But because I'm not always lip linered up, as I am right now, I thought this one would be a good one for just in the middle of the day. I do have to say I really like the packaging. It's absolutely beautiful. This is the colour Bob, and because I had a bob for so long, which is kind of growing out now, guys, so much so that my silk presses are now going to cost me £35 more, and I'm not sure I'm ready for it. Anyway, so if you know, you know. So this is the shade Bob. I'm very excited about this. It's beautiful. I love the packaging. I'm going to show you the packaging right now, and then I'm going to try it on. I've got lip liner on because I was literally on autopilot this morning, and I just put it on, and then I thought, why did I just do that? So I'll show you with lip liner, and then I'll take it off, show you it on a bare lip, and then I'll probably put it back on because I wear things with lip liner. So yes, I'm going to show you guys the packaging, give you some swatches. I don't think I'll have time for comparison swatches, but I'll try and come back and do that later, and show you a demo. So guys, that is the swatch on. It's really nice. It's kind of got a mauviness to it, but it's also a bit more brown than something I'd go for. So I almost got English Rose, now I'm wondering whether I should have, but I do think it's really nice. It's very subtle, it's very hydrating looking. So we'll see if it actually is hydrating. But it's got a really nice sheen to it, and it is just a bit of a wash of colour. It's not too lipsticky. I don't know why she called it a lipstick. She called it, I think, a Hydrobalm tinted lipstick. So I find that confusing. But I do really like it. I don't love the fact that it goes up this way, because that just seems so awkward to me. I thought it was like bottom up, but that's fine. It's got a nice magnetic close, very nice and luxurious. I love this baby blue. I think it's so pretty. It's suitably weighty, which I like, so that's nice. So let's try it on quickly with some lip liner, and then I will come back, take this off and try it without any lip liner. So that's it on. It's really nice, very silky, very creamy. It's quite a rich shade, especially with my lip liner. I probably wouldn't need as much lip liner as I put on, but I think it's nice. You could definitely see the hydrated lip versus the dehydrated lip very clearly, doing a good job. So I think it's a really nice shade. I'm going to quickly try it on without any lip liner, but I'll give you a quick close up, and then I'll come back. Okay guys, so I'm back with a bare lip. I think it's still a little bit tinted by my lip liner, but I have taken it all off. So yeah, that was very creamy, very hydrating. I really like the feel of that. That was very nice. So I'm going to now show you guys on without any lip liner. So that's it on a plain lip. I think it's a really nice kind of regular shade. It's quite browny. I think if I went for something a bit pinker, I'm not sure it would look much better, because I think this is quite natural, just gives myself a tint, but it gives a little bit of colour, but it gives me moisture. So I do really like this. I think it's nice. I probably wouldn't wear as much lip liner with it, but I tend to use things like this throughout the day. So I'll use like a matte lipstick, like the NARS lipstick, at the beginning of the day, and then as my lips dry out or it goes off, then I'll tend to top up with a tinted balm, and then the lip line is not as kind of obvious already. It's kind of worn away, so it just frames it quite well. So I think this is a good go-between. Really nice product. It definitely has a tingle in it. It's got a bit of a pepperminty feel. It feels like my lips slightly tingling. I don't mind things like that, as long as it doesn't feel weird when I start to drink things and eat things. That's fine. But yeah, I think it's really nice. It's a nice colour. It feels very natural. Is it worth £45? I'm not sure. Only time will tell. Like, it's a bit of a splurge. But I do find products like this tend to last a very long time, and I tend to use them like daily. The only thing I'm worried about is this magnetic closure coming off in my handbag just during the day. Everything else I have is kind of a twist close, so that will be interesting, because if this gets like really gummy and ruined, I'll feel more annoyed because I spent more on it than I did like the Summer Fridays, which is just as good. But yeah, so far so good. I like it. I really like the packaging. I think the packaging's super cute, and yeah, so far so good. It hasn't been as disturbing as the last time, so I'm happy about that. So guys, I just put a tiny bit of lip liner around the edges, so I'll give you a quick close-up of that kind of natural but slightly contoured element. Anyway guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Will you be buying it? Will you be trying it? Do you have any of these shades already? Is there anything else you'd like to see? Let me know in the comments down below. I was going to get the Summer Fridays lip tint, but it's literally sold out in every shade I want, and it's been very popular in the UK. I don't know why, and also I didn't realise it was so hyped, and every store I go in, it's gone. So I will try and find it at some point, but I think realistically this is probably better for me than a lip tint, because a lip tint was more of like a pen, not going to really give me any hydration. This at least will give me hydration through the day, so I think I picked the right thing. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below guys. Will you be buying it? Will you be trying it? Do you have any of these already? Let me know. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed already guys, please subscribe. We'd love to have you in the Slap family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.